Today we're working on a Acer model number P1VE6. It also has this label here, Acer 1722. So if this is the one that you have, it's a 10-inch screen, then you'll have to follow these instructions. I'm going to turn it on and show you what it looks like. That is a broken screen. Telltale sign. Got stepped on by a dog up here, what I was told. Kind of neat design. So, in this video, I'm going to show you how to replace this broken screen. First thing you want to do, of course, always remove your battery. And wow. Well, I'll get back to you when I can figure out how to remove the battery. To remove the battery, that's it. That was pretty simple. The next step is to take a very small screwdriver, flat tip, and you're going to try to take and peel back this little black piece here. It's covering the screw here and covering the screw here. Be careful not to scratch it up too bad. You just want to try to get underneath there in a corner and peel it up. And there will be a small Phillips screwdriver, underneath there. Now that you see the pads are removed, you just take a Phillips screwdriver and just remove the screws. And since this is already a bad screen, what I would do, I take and use my fingernail or something and pry up on this side where you'll have a lip. Show you what I mean in just a second. And you can pull up on that. Well, then you can be able to take and run your finger underneath and pop up the plastic trim around its entire edge. Next step is to remove that screw, that screw, that screw, and this screw. Once you do that, take and remove your three cloth things here, and your screen folds up like that. And you have to just take and disconnect your ribbon cable down below. Be careful and don't break the connector itself. Once you get this out, you need to take and peel the sticker off that in order to get your connector out. And then all you have to do is installation is reversal or removal. Just put your screen in there, slide the thing in there, tape it in, flip it back, put your 4 screws in, put your plastic housing over it, put your other 2 screws down below, and you're good to go. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. If you made it this far, you know your screen works. Good job. Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button. I'll see you next time.